Okay, in the center.
Yeah, okay, so it's live right now. So hold the phone. So, you can see the grip?
So I should hit record now?
No, it's recording right now. It's live right now.
Okay.
Okay. So, this sudden solid grip, if you have a logo here on the bottom, to get it on the bottom of your cue at the end, to get it down here at the end, you actually have to start with the logo up. So you put it over the cue and slide it down as much as you can. Then you take from the bottom and roll up like this and start rolling it up. And roll it all the way up. You get to the top, hold it together, flip it over, put it back over, and roll it back down. And the bottom is where you're going to stop, where you want the bottom of the grip to be. They don't always roll easily. So for this cue, stop around the bottom of the wrap, let the bottom grab here, and then unroll it. And then you just have to kind of work the bottoms a little bit to get the bubbles out. And that's it. So you can just hit stop now.